I thought I shared this ceiling fan here. It's not working properly. I'll turn it on. The motor is not working well. I can feel it. Just take a listen. Alright, that's off. Just watch it turn on. And I have to manually spin it for it to get the dang thing going. And I think I should spin it a little bit better. And this ain't good. So the motor on it, and I wanted to tell the brand. Let me stop the fan. Probably can't see it. Maybe GE vent something. Alright, I'm spinning it. Just see, this right here is, you're supposed to spin like this, but on some I'm not sure what speed it is. Since it's a GE vent, I don't know if it starts at low or starts at medium. I don't know why, like if you pull it once, it's on low, but if you pull it on high, I'm not sure if it's high, medium, and low, or low, medium, and high. See it spinning? Alright, this is high, I think. And you'll see it's not spinning fast at all. This is not good. So the motor in it must be blown, or it's wearing out. But I don't think it's wearing out because it's not buzzing loudly. And this whistling air conditioner is so annoying. It could be neither that thing is crooked. Maybe let me straighten it up to see if it'll work. There. Let me slow it down a little bit. Alright, let me slow it down and then spin it more. So, oh crap. I didn't know that was crooked there. But I think this is how fast that it could spin. I may have to do like a 15-minute review on this so you could see that because look at that. It's just not spinning properly. I think let me just see it spinning. It is on high, I swear. See here? It could be neither the blades are sagging and it's making it heavy, or the motor is just wearing out. Alrighty, here is medium. Alright, I took a feel to make sure that I didn't turn it off. And I swear to goodness, whenever it's on that speed, it slows down, it spins down over time and then stops. The motor, I think it's just because the motor is just blown. I think it could be that the motor's not working properly, and look at that dang thing slow down. Like, look. You see that? You see it slowing down? I just cannot believe that. Huh. That's just not a good thing. So that's just why. It's just because, wait, I swear it's just slow. I swore it was spinning like this just for a few minutes, and now it's slowing down. I don't know what's going on. I think it spins like that just for a few minutes, so we're gonna wait for it to slow down, like spin down. This is medium, I think, because there's a door next door and that fan works way better than that one. It works normal. Yep, Blade's sagging. Alright, and while it's slowing down, I hope I could let you take a look. There. Let me dust that out of the way. Let me turn the brightness down. So hope you can see that. Oh. Hope you read that. Could be blurry due to the dust thingy. Yep. And I am going to report that to the, I'm just gonna have to report that to the owner. Yep, I will report that to the owner. After this, I'll show you the original spin down. Alright, we're gonna show it. Alright, it's about to spin down. And this is exactly what it was doing when I put it at that speed. This is what exactly I was doing. I mean, what it was doing, sorry. It does look like a grease. It looks like it's a greasy ceiling fan when it spins down. Alright. Come on, hurry. Alright, I don't care how long I will record. I'll just wait until you spin down. It's almost there. How about you take a look, listen to the motor. It is disappointing. And it stopped. Yep. I'm gonna turn it off and then show you the original spin down. This is a broken motor. So what can I say? It's a real shame. Alrighty, and it stopped. Alrighty, well, it is a dud, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again. Peace.